go, we've got the Closet Core Cielo top. This is the short sleeve version, and I've done the neckline facing on this. All the seams on this one are all enclosed. It's fully French seamed. All the seams are all tucked in, so there's no raw edges, and I have done this only using the sewing machine. I've not used the overlocker at all, and it's just given it a really lovely kind of high-end elevated finish. And this is part one of our capsule wardrobe. So I'm wearing this right now with just a pair of black leggings, and as we build the capsule wardrobe I will start adding the pieces in. I do think it needs some kind of necklace or some other accessory to make it not look like scrubs because of the colour that I've picked, and the short sleeve version, but it is really nice kind of fit. You can see where I have cropped it a little bit more on this one than when I show you the floral one. The floral one's a little bit longer, but yeah, it's like an easy breezy top, which is exactly what it says in the pattern description. They call it easy breezy. So yeah, I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club, but before that I'm just going to show you the other fabric option that I've done. Okay, so this is version 2, the version with the gathered sleeves. So we've got the big puffy gathered sleeves with these funnel shape, cone shape cuffs, and this version I've left it a little bit longer. I've almost done this to the pattern instructions, whereas I took about 1.5 inches off the other one. This one is just a smidge shorter than the pattern instructions, but it's just nice. This one is finished, the neckline's finished with bias binding, and I have used the sewing machine and overlocker to finish the seams on this one. You could use your sewing machine completely and do either zigzags, or you could do the French seams like I've done in the other version. There are options available to you. Different necklines, different sleeves, and different ways to finish it. It is designed to be a cropped finish fit, so because I'm already cropped in size, I think it just needs a little bit more cropping to give the look that I prefer. I think this length, it's a little bit neither here nor there, and it finishes kind of on my widest part. That's just personal preference. There is the dress version as well, of course, which we haven't covered in the sew along, but there is an option that's there for you too. The only reason I haven't done the dress is because that doesn't really work for our capsule wardrobe, because we've got the trousers as well. But I digress. Yeah, so look forward to seeing your Cielo tops in the Love and Stitches Club, and as part of your capsule wardrobe, and seeing you pull together your capsule wardrobes. I am so excited to see. So ta-ta for now, I will see you all soon.